Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend. And welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. As most of you know, it's Saturday. All right, so usually Saturday is actually a pretty decent day for trading. I mean, right now there are a lot of cryptos who are doing very well. Here you can see a lot of cryptos are rallying. A lot of opportunities, but Bitcoin usually is a little bit quiet, a little bit stable. Usually it doesn't move. You can easily spot the Saturdays on the chart. Like for example, last Saturday we just consolidated here around 37,800. But what we can do is we can make some conclusions based on what we saw yesterday, because yesterday obviously was a very bullish day. At least technically the entire day yesterday. Most of the bullish momentum was early in the day. And then afterwards, the bullish momentum, like yesterday we talked about that it was the last Friday, or at least the Friday of the last week of November, 1st of December. So usually those days are very volatile because old capital and old positions are usually closed and then new positions are opened, which means that there's volatility coming in. But in general, the volatility actually was not that much. I mean, the volume yesterday over the entire day was very high. So usually when the volume is already high, you need a lot of money to make the price move, and that's not something what happened. What happened in the end, and we did talk about that as well, is that it broke above the level we talked about yesterday, which was 38,400, and then it held it as support. So right now, technically, Bitcoin is just bullish. That's also what we said yesterday. Yesterday, what I said, after being a little bit more bearish, at least a little bit before that, last week, I expected a bit of a pullback. I mean, overall, obviously, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, all right? I mean, I will at least be bullish. No, I'll probably stay relatively bullish until the bull market, because first we have the ETFs, and I will definitely be bullish until the ETFs are accepted. If they're rejected, then the situation changes, but that's not in my line of expectations. And then the Bitcoin halving is also coming up, so there's a lot of great things to look forward to. So fundamentally, I am bullish on Bitcoin. That doesn't mean we cannot get a pullback. I mean, I expect a big pullback at some point of time, but at this moment, it looks most likely that Bitcoin will continue. If you historically look at the chart, what you'll see is that the next price target or the next resistance level really is this entire level between 39,200, and then most of the resistance is around 40,000. Obviously, it's a psychological level, and I see no reason why Bitcoin would not get up there. I mean, we've also seen that a lot of positions were opened, as you can see right here. Over the course of yesterday, this was yesterday, the open interest went up from 190k. Is that correct? Or is it 190,000? I don't know. But the open interest spiked up a lot by what is it? It's about 10%, which is a lot. Since then, it has also dropped down a bit, but overall, it's still very high. So there's still a lot of momentum for Bitcoin. It just got a bullish breakout. So Monday, which is the 4th, is the first Monday of December. That could be volatile. Potentially, we'll get some bearish volatility right then, but in general, I expect Bitcoin to hold this support between 38,400 and 37,900, and to rally up to 40,000. That is what I expect for now, but obviously I'll keep you updated on that. Tomorrow we'll do a full update for next week, so also looking at the news, etc. So don't worry too much about that yet. And apart from that, that's my take. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And as you can see down in the comments and in the description, you'll also find links to my own premium and Signal group. So if you want to have some more value, if you want to become a better trader, check that out. But that's for you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.